Hello, everybody. Welcome to AccuReggie. Well, we have a major storm to talk about. It's been a while. We had the big storm. It was a blizzard in Boston at the end of January, brought significant snow up and down the East Coast from Delaware all the way up to Maine. Then we had the sneaky snow surprise for the Super Bowl, brought generally 1 to 4 inches up and down the East Coast. Boston got about half a foot, and areas in Massachusetts, some places got up to 10 inches. And now we have a major storm. Now, this one it's going to be dependent on location. You might be wondering, why are we talking about a major snowstorm? It was 60 or 70 degrees up and down the East Coast today. It was warm. It was a taste of spring. But now, February, it's just like a flip a switch, and boom, we're back to winter. And you can see the cold front here. I want to show you this cold air pressing in. I mean, look at this bitter cold up in the Dakotas and Minnesota. And that air, well, it won't get below zero like it is up there. But the cold front from Dallas is 23 degrees. And you can see it stretches from northern Louisiana all the way up to Massachusetts. The 70s are long gone. Now, let's go to the model, because this is going to show us what's going to happen. All right. Now, so the cold first that has to come in, and it's pressing in. And then the storm rides along the front. It's going to ride along the cold front. Areas to the south do not have the cold air as deeply entrenched, and that's really important. They're going to primarily see ice from this storm before going over to rain. So Washington, D.C., ice will begin late Thursday evening. It'll be sleet and then freezing rain. Same thing for Philadelphia, sleet and then freezing rain. These areas, including northern Maryland, will probably only see a coating or an inch or so before the changeover to plain rain after some icing. All right. New York City, you're going to start late Thursday evening with ice, then go to snow, then go back to ice Friday morning. So it will be a higher impact event for New York City, 1 to 3 inches of snow and ice. It's just going to be sloppy, slushy, messy, nasty, freezing cold, ice, sleet. Ice is, ice pellets that ping, 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 ping all over your car, on your window, etc. That's going to be, looks like the major issue in New York City before going over to rain eventually. And you can see as I put this in motion, snow, though, for New England. So when you get to New England, southern Connecticut, about 4 to 5 inches, and then amounts just go up as you move further north. So Boston is looking at 9 to 15 inches of snow. 9 inches if it changes over to ice. If not, we'll probably be closer to a foot or more. All right, so this is a major snowstorm for New England, even with icing if it occurs in Boston and areas north. Now, south of Boston, icing will occur. They're going to be more in the 3 to 6 inch, 4 to 8 inch zone, but nonetheless a significant storm. Now, when does it all get out of here? Well, this is Friday around noon. It is thumping snow in Boston, heavy, heavy snow. That stretches down into Connecticut with icing closer to the coast. And then that continues into the evening. So it's afternoon in Boston and New England, it's still snowing. It's cleared out in New York City. It's cleared out south, but it's still snowing in New England. And that's why the heavier snowfall amounts are going to be there, because you don't get the ice and it's all snow. So it'll all be out of here Friday afternoon. Now, if you are traveling, travel on Friday is going to be terrible. It's going to be terrible from D.C. to Boston. Any place that gets ice, it's going to be bad. And then you're going to have more snow as you work up the coast. So Boston, flights into Boston on Friday could be treacherous. So you got to be careful. And New York City as well. Walking, driving in that ice, it's going to be tough. So please be careful. Stay safe, everyone. That's the update for now. I'll keep you updated if there's any changes. But as always, enjoy the snow.